lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of April's Boxycharm Base box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got this time around and tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so first thing I'm seeing is of course the card. I think this is the same theme as the premium box, the Boxycharm Spring Revival. I will say I did go ahead and try on what makeup products that I could from the box. I always try to do a try on of the makeup products off camera so that way I can tell you guys my thoughts on the products as I show them to you. So I did go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and get the skincare out of the way first because that is one thing I don't typically try off camera is the skincare. Just because it takes me forever to get through all the skincare that I've gotten. Alright, so first thing I'm seeing in here is from Sela. It's by Celine Tardresi. I'm saying that. I'm butchering the crap out of that, so apologies. But this is a new brand to Boxy, and this is the Glacier Clay Cleanser. It's very cool looking like packaging, I will say. And this retails for $45, so I'm excited to use this. Like I said, I go through skincare really slowly because it's just me using up all the skincare that I've gotten from all my Boxycharm boxes. But this one does sound really cool. I like the clay part because I've heard that clay cleansers are some of the better ones, but I don't know until I try that. But anyways, $45 for that. Then there is something from Christoph Robin. I'm probably saying that wrong. Anyways, I've gotten stuff from this brand before in Boxycharm. This retails for $39, and it is an instant volume mist with rose water. I think it's for your hair. I'm assuming so. Yeah. It's to uplift roots and fuller length. So yeah, so it's for your hair. So that's kind of cool. I don't mind getting these. I like leave-in mists, or I'm guessing it says instant volumizing leave-in mist. So is that kind of like a conditioner? I don't know. Maybe it's just a volumizer. I don't know. I'll give it a try. $39 for that. I feel like that's quite a bit for this, but you know, I'll give it a shot. All right. So next up is something that I actually customize in the box. You get to customize one item in the base box, and I chose the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. I got it in the shade 130N, and this retails for $38, and I did try it on my face today. Here's what the foundation looks like. So this foundation is supposed to be water-resistant liquid foundation that creates a luminous natural finish. It says it's medium coverage, and like I said, I tried it out today, and I would say it is medium coverage. I did have like a couple little spots here and there for my blemishes that I kind of had to go over concealer because this didn't quite cover it all the way up. I could still see it peeking through, but I think it is a pretty nice foundation. At least for my first impressions, it seems like a decent foundation. It does look pretty natural on the skin. I wouldn't really say that it's super luminous in my opinion. I mean, I thought I looked maybe a smidge glowy when I put it on, but then as soon as I put concealer, powder, and all that on, it kind of lost its glow. But yeah, so far I like it. It's pretty nice. I'm glad to have it. I do like getting foundations. So yeah, so far I'm happy with this product. And I'm excited to get some more use out of it. Alright, so next up is something from Item Beauty, which is by Addison Rae. I believe she's a TikToker. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think she is. Anyways, I didn't know if she had her own brand or collabed with this brand. I don't know. Anyways, this is the Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. And it said pull me at the top, so I already did that. And then there's the mascara in there. I was just, you know. I didn't use this today because I'm not using new mascaras right now because I have a ton already open that I need to get through before they dry out and all that stuff. And it seems like we get a lot of mascaras from Boxycharm, which isn't a bad thing, but you know, I need to finish up all the other mascaras first. But anyways, here is the mascara. It's in this nice shiny silver packaging with like an ombre blue cap. I will go ahead and show you the wand. This may be defeating the purpose by even opening it, but whatever. Honestly, I'm not too impressed with the look of the wand. It looks very small, and it's one of those like silicone looking wands, which I don't know. I don't hate them, but they're not my favorite. I prefer the ones with the bristles just because I feel like it gets into my eyelashes a lot better. I can, build up the mascara better, but I haven't tried it or anything, so I can't really, I'm not going to say too much about it because, like I said, I haven't tried it yet. But this, by the way, if I didn't say, this retails for $15. Alright, and then last but not least is something from Lucky Chick. And this is a new brand to Boxycharm. And this is their liquid eyeshadow, and I got it in the shade Rose Quartz. So, cute box, Never heard of this brand, so I'm excited to try something from this brand. Here is the liquid eyeshadow. And I'll go ahead and give a little swatch of it. And I do have this on my lid right now, but just in case you want a close-up of it. Here's what the swatch looks like. But like I said, I do have it on my lids today. I can't say that I'm the greatest at applying liquid eyeshadow. I don't know, I feel like it's it doesn't look very neatly applied, and that's just me because I don't know. I've never used liquid eyeshadows that much, so I'm sure it'll take some getting used to. But so far, it looks actually really pretty. It looks good on camera. And in person, I don't know. Let me get my mirror. Excuse me. I applied it, I don't know, like 20 minutes ago before I started filming. And I don't know. It looks okay. I'm curious to see if it's going to start flaking because I feel like now that it's like dried down, it almost looks like it's going to start flaking, but maybe it won't. We will see. But it looks really like shiny and reflective, which is nice. But yeah, I would just say that it looks like it really makes my eyelids look very textured. Can you see that? I know I didn't apply it very well. Don't look at that eye, especially this eye. It looks very messy. But I did my best. And I'm not sure I was a fan of the applicator. The actual applicator is it's just a plastic applicator. Usually from the liquid eyeshadows that I've seen, they kind of just have like a gloss or something. They have a doe foot that's kind of almost like a little brush, or you know what I'm talking about, the lip gloss. But this one's just straight up just a plasticky. I tried to scrape it off as much as I could, but it's just a flat piece of plastic to use to apply. And since it's not really a brush or anything, or kind of have a sponge tip, I feel like since it doesn't absorb any of the applicator doesn't absorb any of the product, it's just straight up product, which I feel like can make it easy to go in a little too heavy-handed. So maybe next time when I use this, I'll just go in with my own little brush or something and just dip into it and then apply it that way. But I don't know, I'll see. But I do like the color of it. I think it looks really pretty, and it's very shiny. So yeah. Definitely get some more use out of this, especially because I do have a couple of palettes that are all mattes or something, and this would go perfect with that. But by the way, I forgot to say price. This retails for $22. So yeah, so I do like this product. Alright, so that's everything in the box, and now I'm just going to tally up the price of everything to let you guys know the overall value of this month's box, and then I will give you guys my final thoughts on everything. Alright, so the overall value for this month's box is $159, which is not too bad considering I only paid $35 for this box, I believe is what I paid for this one. So yeah, so final run through. I'm actually kind of excited about getting this cleanser. I really do like cleansers. I feel like I get a butt ton of moisturizers and not as many cleansers and that type of skincare, so I'm excited about this, and I'll look forward to using this. This leave-in volumizing mist, I'm curious about. I don't really know how I feel about it. I don't really know what's up with the rose water. I feel like rose water has become, it was a thing a couple of years ago, maybe even longer ago. Everything had rose water in it. So I don't know if that's actually going to be beneficial, or if it's just kind of one of those hop on the trend kind of things. So we'll see. I'm curious about it. I do have thinner, finer hair, so I'm curious to see if this will kind of give me that volume. So I'm not mad about that. I'm excited about the foundation. I feel like this is probably the best thing in the box for me is the foundation, and of course this is the product that I chose to customize. I did like the foundation, and I will definitely be getting some good use out of it, and I feel like I did a fairly good job of matching myself this time around. I always struggle with matching myself online because, you know, they let you pick out the shade, but I think I did a pretty good job this time. And then I feel like these two products are okay. I don't mind this liquid eyeshadow. I don't use them that often, so I'm curious to see if I'll actually get some good use out of it, or is it just going to sit in my drawer? Hopefully not. I will make efforts to use this. And of course, mascara is not bad to get, but I think I got a mascara in my last box. So yeah. No, I don't think I did actually. Did I? I can't remember. I feel like I've gotten a lot of mascaras recently, so this is just kind of like, that's nice, but I have tons of mascaras, so I feel like this is just a toss-in item for me. But yeah, this liquid eyeshadow, I like it. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. Like I said, I'm kind of curious to see how it wears throughout the day. Will it stay like this, or is it going to flake off? But we will see. So overall, I think I'm okay with this box. It's not my favorite, but I don't hate it. It is, you know, considering the balance, I always prefer more makeup over skincare. And it's definitely more makeup heavier this month, but I feel like the items are just kind of like, I don't know, like mascara it's a makeup item, but it's not like a palette or anything, or a blush. And I wish they had thrown in maybe like a blush or something instead. But the foundation was probably the bigger item, so I think it's because of probably what I chose. So yeah, I'm not mad about this box. I'm gonna stop. At this point, I'm just complaining. I'm happy with this month's box. I'm going to use everything in this box, so yeah, I'm happy with it. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help with my channel. And also, let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of this month's box. Did you guys get base box? And if you did, what did you think of your box? Let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!